Hey guys, well, we're making our way down to a little pond where I pulled all the stumps out. The property, I pulled all the stumps out. The neighbor wanted me to dig a little pond out, see if I can make a little fish pond out of it. It's got water in it, a little bit of water, so I'm maybe a foot deep, so I'm pumping it out now. And I'm going to dig a hole in the middle and just see what kind of ground we got. It won't hold water, it'll fill up and then go down. And before I dig all that out, I want to make sure that we got a decent bottom. If we don't have a decent bottom, there's no sense in digging it out. So I've got the pump going, pump out what water's there. Hopefully it's not running dry right now. But it's just right across the fence from where all the stumps are at. So I'm making my way down here. Now it's still spraying, so that's a good sign. Now I'm gonna have to knock my way through here. See if I can set you over here. I don't want a scratcher. Definitely don't want a scratcher, so unnecessarily. Mind a little scratch every now and then, but I don't want to peel down the sides. Which I get, but I can just get these down where I can finagle my way through here. Viable, then there's no sense in spending the money to do anything with it. So we'll see. Get her pumped down. Careful, fell up in here and sink up to my in there, but it's not real good stuff, but whoa! I knew I was gonna do that. Sorry, guys. Like I said, there's a little bit of clay in there, but it's not a real good compactable kind. Then we'll let that pump down a little bit. We'll go from there. All right, well, go down in here, dig around a little bit and see if it's gonna be worth I don't know if it will be or not. Look at all the gravel. Water pipe. Yeah, see, that's not compactable at all. Look at all the rocks and gravel. See, it's too porous. Look at all that rock. There's no way it'll hold. Nope. Yeah, we're gonna call it. Well, all right, guys. Not we're gonna call it, and I'm not gonna. I'm not going to mess with it. They agreed not to because, I mean, you can see that's all sand and rock. There's nothing compactable there. I mean, it's just all, there's some clay in there, but it's not compactable. I scoop it out and it's just all sandy. So anyway, they made the right choice, and we're not going to pursue it. So we may visit visit another spot at some point. I don't know, but anyway, I'm gonna take and put the pump and the hose into the bucket, and because there's all this brush through here, so I'm gonna do that and then load it back up and get on out of here. So not much of a video, but hey, we tried. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave comments, ring that notification bell, and that way you know when I post a new video. Follow me on the gram, and that's at DirtDaddy953. I appreciate you guys, and we've got some good stuff coming up. Just got to get to it, and we got some more rain coming in first part of next week. So I've got a crawl space I'm going to try to do this weekend. Fingers crossed it'll be dry enough to do that. But anyway, guys, I'm out of here. Thanks.